Hello class 6, welcome back to our channel. So class 6, today we are going to start a new chapter from our civics book, chapter number 4, key elements of a democratic country. As we already covered in the previous chapter, the meaning of democracy, where the peoples are basically responsible to elect their representatives. So here in this chapter, we will learn about the people's participation, and then when we live together, some conflicts will be there, some disagreement or clashes will be there. So here we will also learn the resolution of conflicts, and then very important features of any democratic country like equality and justice. So in 3 sections we will continue, we will cover this chapter. So before starting this chapter, we will see one case study that is given in your book about the South Africa. Here you can see class 6 the world map, and in this world map surely आपको पता होगा कि South Africa is one of the different continent. Yes, and in this basically chapter I just told you that we will take one example. We will take one example of South Africa. So here in the world map you can see South Africa, and let's see South Africa again in the Google Earth also. So here on Google Earth we will search the South Africa, and then we'll do the case study which is given on the system where the people were discriminated on the basis of their race. That was apartheid. So apartheid was the system, was the बेसिकली एक ऐसा एवल था बच्चा जिसमें पीपल वर सेग्रीगेटेड, लोगों को अलग कर दिया गया ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ race. Here you can see the South Africa on Google Earth. This is India. Now we'll move to South Africa. So this is the location of South Africa. So let's continue with the chapter now. So South Africa, beta ji, is a country where the people of several races live together. Several races means some people are black, as you can see in the picture. The skin color basically is black and they belong to South Africa. Those people are native people are black. Even the white people who came here to settle, and the Indians also जो कि traders या फिर laborers के रूप में वहाँ पर गए. So basically this is a very multiracial country. अब इसी के बारे में हमने study करना है. Yes, so one story is given, a story of a girl who is basically 11 years old, जो साउथ अफ्रीका में ही रहते हैं बच्चा. The town was Johannesburg, and her mother basically उनको एक story बता रहे हैं. जब उन्होंने एक article, एक scrap book में pictures देखे, then her mother explained one story, and the story of जिसमें एक character is given like the Hector Peterson. This was the story of Hector Peterson, which was told by Maya's mother to Maya. Yes, she told Maya that South Africa was earlier governed by the apartheid system. The system means separation, अलग-अलग कर देना लोगों को on the basis of race. The people were divided into white, black, Indian and colored races. So alag karna is not only the objective. And according to this law, these races were not allowed to mingle with each other. ना वो एक साथ मिलते जुलते थे, not they were lived together, and they were not allowed to use common facilities. This was the system of South Africa जो कि इस सिस्टम को फॉलो कर रहा था. एंड माया कुडेंट बिलीव हर ईयर्स कि उसकी मदर ने ऐसी कौन सी बात कर दी. शी ऑल्सो टोल्ड हर द ट्रेन्स वर सेपरेटेड. The buses were separated for white and black people. Even the ambulance for white people always be well equipped, जिसमें सारी facilities होती थी. While one meant for black people was not. लेकिन black people के पास ambulance तो है, but कोई facilities available नहीं थे. Even the bus stops were different. Basically, non-whites were not allowed to vote also. And the best land of the country किसके पास थी बच्चा? Reserved for the white people. And non-whites had to live on the worst available land. So these were the condition of, these were the, basically we can say, inhuman treatment the people of South Africa, the black people, faced during that time. And her mother told each and everything to Maya. Even she told her that the township was township basically for the black people only, जो कि साउथ वेस्टर्न टाउनशिप थी, and the short name was Soweto. Soweto was the place where the black people can lived. So here, as I told you, the story of the hero of the story is Hector Peterson. He also lived in the Soweto in the black township. एंड उसके क्लासमेट्स भी वहीं रहते थे. उन्होंने एक प्रोटेस्ट किया. प्रोटेस्ट इज रिलेटेड टू, प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट था कि उनको अफ्रीकन लैंग्वेजेस को नहीं सीखना. व्हाट वाज द अफ्रीकन लैंग्वेजेस? द लैंग्वेजेस जो वाइट लोग बोलते थे, वाइट लोग यूज़ करते थे. तो उन सबको भी फोर्स किया गया, हेक्टर पीटरसन उनके क्लासमेट्स को, कि यू हैव टू लर्न ओनली दिस लैंग्वेज. लेकिन वो क्या चाहते थे? दे वॉन्टेड टू लर्न देयर ओन लैंग्वेज, दैट वॉज ज़ुलू. सो ज़ुलू वॉज द साउथ अफ्रीकन नेटिव लैंग्वेज जो वो लर्न करना चाहते थे. सो दे प्रोटेस्टेड अगेंस्ट द वाइट पीपल. अब प्रोटेस्ट करना ईजी नहीं था बच्चा. पुलिस बीटन अप द प्रोटेस्टर्स, जिन्होंने प्रोटेस्ट किया, जिन्होंने अपनी वॉइस रेस की, दोज पीपल वर, मतलब उनके साथ बहुत इनह्यूमन ट्रीटमेंट किया गया. And then even shot at the crowd. One of their bullets were killed Hector now. So this was a very sad day for South Africa, that the protest was going on and the Hector Peterson was killed with the bullet on 16th of June 1976. This was the date, and that was the very, very sad day for the South African people. As you can see in the picture, these types of hoardings were like लगा दिए जाते थे कि आप अलाउड नहीं हैं, बस स्टॉप्स ओनली फॉर नॉन वाइट्स. हाँ, इवन द वॉशरूम्स वर सेपरेटेड, public places were separated, and when they raised their voice just because to know, to understand, to learn their own language, he was killed up. So this was the day 1976 when बहुत ही एक सैड डे था साउथ अफ्रीका के लिए. एंड आफ्टर दिस डे एवरी ईयर साउथ अफ्रीका में आज भी बटा 1976 16 जून as celebrated National Youth Day because he was a young student. So आज भी इस डे को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. So this was the story of South Africa where people were not treated equally at all. Yes, but the movement was going on, and one more group, उस ग्रुप का नेम था नेशनल कांग्रेस, अफ्रीकन नेशनल कांग्रेस, दैट इज ANC. अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल जिन्होंने स्ट्रगल किया अगेंस्ट द अपार्थाइड सिस्टम. And one of the very famous leader, as you can see in this picture, Nelson Mandela, fought against this system for several years. And after a long struggle and this journey, finally they succeeded. In 1994, South Africa became the democratic country in which people of all the races were considered equally now. अभी तक सिर्फ किसके पास राइट्स थे? ओनली वाइट्स हैड राइट्स. बट हियर द पीपल वर कंसिडर्ड इक्वली, वेदर यू आर ब्लैक, वाइट और द मिक्स्ड कलर, एनी कलर अगर आप हैं, लेकिन वहाँ कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं हुआ. सो 1994 वॉज द biggest day for the South Africa. So class 6, this is enough for today's class. We'll continue this chapter in the next session now. Thank you so much.